The more you chase dunya, the more it will run away from you. Instead, work for akhirah. Set all your goals just to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you do that, you will be much happier and satisfied with life. If not, then remember how you drink salt water thinking it will remove your thirst. But actually it makes your thirst worse and worse. Subhanallah. Same goes for dunya. Detach yourself from dunya and attach yourself to the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Of course, I do not mean go at extremes and leave the worldly life completely, or go in a cave and don't interact with anyone. No, that is not Islam. Islam is living moderately in this world. While you live, your heart is detached from it and is attached to Allah's remembrance. You are always very cautious about your steps in life. You think, will this please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or displease Him? Is this how Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam taught me to do? Yes, brothers and sisters, this is called taqwa. Achieve and aim for highest level of taqwa.